will learn possessive nouns. Possessive noun is a noun that indicates ownership or possession. Example, this is Mary's lamb. This is Ken's pen. This is the boy's bicycle, etc. We'll see two examples, but both are different. This is minister's car. This indicates that the car belongs to the minister. The minister is the owner of the car. The next example is children's minister. But the minister does not belong to the children. The minister only manages the children's affairs. Sometimes it will not directly be the ownership. Did you understand? Now let's go to the next. Possessive nouns always ends in apostrophe s or s apostrophe. Now we'll see some rules for possessive nouns. First we'll see singular. If the singular possessive nouns ends in s, we can put it in two ways. We can add apostrophe s or s apostrophe. See, Chris's hat. I added apostrophe s. So the hat belongs to Chris. In this sentence, I added Chris's hat. This is also correct. If the singular possessive nouns do not end in s, we add apostrophe s only. See, the boy's book, John's hat. We added only apostrophe s. Now we'll see plural form of possessive nouns. If the plural form of possessive nouns ends in s, we add s apostrophe only. See, the girl's hat, the boy's toys. Only s apostrophe we added. We do not add apostrophe s. If the plural possessive nouns do not end in s, we add apostrophe s only. See, the women's hats, the children's toys, etc. If the possessive noun represents non-living things or inanimate objects, we add of the. We do not say books, pages, swings, hook. We say the pages of the book, hook of the swing.